says I like apples sweet. B says buff for banana sweet. C says coo for cat. D says duh for dog. E says A like eggs in a pan. F says F for fish. G says G for gate. H says hat. I says E for igloo. J says J for jelly. K says coo for kite. L says la like lemon. M says mo for monkey. N says new for net. O says ah for orange. P says p for pear. Q says quoo for quooin'. R says roo for rabbit. S says like strawberry. T says t for tiger. U says boo like umbrella shade. V says boo for van. W says what for whale. X says Kez X-ray. Y says U for yo-yo. Z says the zebra. Now we know each sound that's true. Reading's fun for me and you.